दुष्काळ, हुवार, उटंगार आणि अर्थव्यवस्थेची मरगळ. प्रकरण गोयच्या मोठमोठ्या उद्देगामेरेन पावला. गोयच्या आदल्या आणि मोठ्या उद्देगातलो एक जुवारी एग्रोचेर बंदीचे संकट. फाटल्या 3 म्हयने जाले जुवारीचो युरिया प्लांट बंद, जाल्यार NPK प्लांट फाटल्या म्हयन्या सावन बंद. परिस्थितीचो अदमास घेवंक आमी जुवारीचो चीफ ऑपरेटिंग ऑफिसर नितीन कंटका कडेन वासपूस केली.
Main reason is actually financial, related to financials only. Raw materials the cost भयंकर वाढिल्लो. That is because of the inputs prices went up, and also dollar also, from 63 it went to 74. आमचे सगळे इम्पोर्टेड असतात raw materials. So one major reason was there was a drought situation in Maharashtra, our major marketing area. Drought आशिल्ले म्हणटकच सेल्स आमचे कमी झाले तेन्ना.
Okay.
So because of that there was a financial problem.
Okay.
And to compound this subsidy which normally comes once this year, in April it should have started. Because of the election they got unduly delayed. And in the process what happened is payment got delayed. So आमचे devolvement म्हणटा जाले. Devolvement means you are supposed to pay interest on the loans.
बरोबर.
ते आमगे पे करपाचे आमचे टायमार करपा आसता, टायमार जालें ना, डिले जाले. आता devolvement म्हणटात. म्हणजे whenever that interest payment is not done in time, within the specific time, तर ते येता. Rating they bring ICRA म्हणते rating कमी करतात. So because the rating went down, the banks have tightened giving loans for fresh material.
Okay.
So आमकां ते problem कितें जाला की funding is got affected. So funds, banks did not give the funds for buying of the raw material. So because of that we had to stop.
परिस्थिती नेमकी केन्ना जाग्यार पडटली हाचेर नेमकी जाप कोणाकडेनूच ना. कंटक म्हणटा बँकांकडेन उलोवणी चालल्यात. म्हयन्या भितर पयशे उबे करून प्लांट सुरू करपाचे यत्न, पूण सगळे बँकांचे रीण मेळटा आनी ते हातार पडटा तेन्ना.
All these factors affected, and right now we are trying to get work with the banks, how to quickly start the plant, and we are hopeful we should be able to start by this month end. I'm saying by this month end because efforts are on with the bank, and we are hopeful very soon banks will start this disbursement of the loans, and that will start.
बसून पगार मेळटा खरो, तरी 1,500 कामगारांक धाकधूक. मोठ्या म्हाठग उद्देजकांनी बँकांची रिणां बुडोवन बँकांक NPAच्यो मोठमोठ्यो तोप्यो घाल्या उपरांत बँकोय आतां ताक सुद्दां फुकून पिवंक लागल्यात. हातूंतले एखादे बँकेक धाडस केले जाल्यारूच जुवारींतल्यान परत धुंवर. सध्या तरी फक्त काजळी. प्रुडंटा खातीर वास्कोच्यान विक्रम नायक.